Hello, welcome to my Cambridge English Advanced C1 level CAE Speaking Paper video course. Let's get started. What will you learn in this course? Well, firstly, you will learn the general format of the CAE exam. You will then look at the detailed format of the speaking paper, including all 4 parts. You will also learn some tips, technique and strategy to use for every part of the speaking paper. And you will also learn how to use these strategies to prepare yourself in the best possible way for the exam. Make sure you are sitting somewhere quietly and comfortable. This will really help with your concentration during the course. When you're watching these videos, write down the important points. Take a pen and a piece of paper and write them down. This will really help you to remember the key points. Use a computer to watch the videos. It will not only help you see, but it will also give you a good way of practicing the exercises in the course, and it's a lot easier to use than a phone, for example. Some more tips on how to benefit from the course. You want to use the strategy that I teach you to complete a course book, and I'm going to give you some recommendations on the next page. But every time you finish, for example, part 1 of this strategy course, find some part 1 exercises in the course book and use the strategy and the tips and technique to complete these exercises, and then repeat this process. Also, when you're studying by yourself, practice using a pencil, because this is what you need to use in the exam. And also practice writing in capitals, big letters. And finally, you should time yourself and see how long it takes for you to do every part of the exam. And then you know, if you finish part 4 in a much quicker time than part 1, then you should concentrate on part 4 first. Finish that part first, because you'll get more marks if you finish it quicker. But also look at how many marks are awarded for each part. So, these are the course books that I recommend. This course book, which you can buy from this link here, is a really good course book. It has lots of exam practice exercises. It gives you some tips to help you with each section of the exam. It also includes the most important grammar and vocabulary for the exam. Okay, but the unfortunate thing is that the listening CDs for this coursebook are quite expensive. However, you can go onto YouTube and find loads of free listening samples. And here is an example link for you. If you type that in, you can find a free listening sample on YouTube. Alternatively, you can also buy the workbook from this web address. It doesn't have the grammar reference, but it does have a listening CD with about 14 practice listening examples.